Hello everyone, this is Lily, and welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to fix Instagram Reels, something went wrong, an error message. So if the Instagram Reels feature isn't working as it should, I'll show you a couple of things you can do to fix it. It's quick and easy, so let's jump right in. The very first solution to your issue is to make absolutely sure you are using the latest version of the application. You can check to see if your app has an update by going to the Google Play Store and typing Instagram into the top search bar. Now, on the right of Instagram, it'll show Open or Update. Please keep in mind that if it shows Open, your Instagram is completely up to date. If it shows Update, it means you need to update your Instagram application. So just go ahead and update your Instagram app. You are doing this because every new update fixes any issues or glitches that the previous update might have just caused. If updating your application doesn't solve your issue, the second option is to clear the cache on the app. So head over to your settings and then scroll down and then tap on Apps. And then tap on the search bar up top and search for Instagram. And then when you are on this screen, tap on the storage option and then tap on Clear Cache. This clears the cache on your application, basically refreshing it. If this doesn't work, you can switch off the data saver feature on your device. To do just that, go back to the main settings screen and go all the way to the top. Then tap on Mobile Network, then Data Usage. And as you can see, the very first option is Smart Data Saver. Tap on it. And we're going to toggle this off. So when these three things just don't work or solve the issue, I recommend uninstalling and reinstalling the application, which means deleting the app from your device and then re-downloading it from the Google Play Store. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and simple tutorials like this one. If you have any questions about this video, please post them in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day.